kind of what
Yeah.
you like?
Personally, I love this car. Like, I love it. The way it looks.
The
inside
color
and
is
out.
more
Yeah.
unique. You see
I
a
like
lot
the
more
color
blue than you do see lime rock. So
They're both sick.
I mean,
yeah, they're both
personally,
sick.
I love this car. I like the color.
See how they both drive.
Uh-huh.
See how they both feel. That's what I would do too.
We'll check out that turbo.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it
Let's
nice?
go. Yeah. I'll go with you. Yeah.
Kind of exhausting.
What kind of exhaust is it, Mike? Is it a one
Arbitrax.
Arbitrax?
It's got a Cobb on it too.
You could take the
This would be a
original
good one
parts.
If you want this exhaust though. It's 32.
I think this guy was like local to me.